Why do we close our eyes when we sneeze? You've probably heard the rumor, if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out. Relax, that is a total myth. Your eyes stay right where they are. The real reason lies in your nerves. When your nose gets tickled, it sends a signal to your brain to trigger a sneeze. But here's the glitch. The nerves in your nose and eyes are like neighbors. So when the brain screams sneeze, it accidentally tells your eyelids to shut tight too. It's just an automatic reflex, basically protecting your eyes from, well, the germs flying out of your mouth. Can you sneeze with your eyes open? Let me know in the comments.